Okay, today's video is going to be on how to get free applications and games for your iPod or iPhone. And by free I mean the ones which you pay for on the App Store. So say you go on the App Store, so you go on the App Store and you're looking through the apps and you see an app which catches your eye, like see an app that catches your eye, like say I don't know, 3D Gallery. And 3D Gallery costs £1.19 in the App Store. Now say you don't have money in your bank account, or you just don't want to pay generally, or anything like that, you can get this app for free, but it's going to be pirated, which is illegal. But if you're fine with that, then you can carry on watching this video. So first things first, you're going to need to open up Cydia. Just let this load and I'll come back. Okay, so after Cydia is loaded, you're going to have to add a few sources. Well, just one source. And it's going to be that source right there, cydia.hackulo.us. And those people say you have to put the slash at the end, but I didn't. So after you've got that, you're going to open that up and you're going to install AppSync for the version of firmware you've got. And you've got 3.1 or 3.2, and if you've got any lower than that, just go to search and search for a thing called install D, like installed, and it will be like a patch for the older firmwares. So you need that there, and that's going to patch a little file so that when you install the cracked games, your iDevice doesn't recognize it as someone else's, because people crack these and upload them, so it's registered to them. And if you didn't have that AppSync, when you put it on your iPod, it'll say, look, you can't use this app with this iPod. So that's a little patch you need. And the next thing, you scroll down and there's an app called Installous, and it's a app which is basically a mirror of the App Store, and it lets you install the cracked apps. And by mirror I mean it's like basically the same thing. You get the categories come up when you open it. See, you got these categories here. You got downloads, you can search, but I'm just gonna do the app from my previous video because it's small, and that is called the Tip You Later. And I'm pretty sure it's free anyway, but just to show you, you can get this on here. See, it looks exactly like the App Store with the it says download instead there, instead of install. You get the screenshots and how much it is, the size. This is 0.5 megabyte, and that's why I chose it. So you're going to press download, and you'll be presented with links to a sharing website on the internet where they've uploaded it, and you're going to click on one. I'm just going to click on this one here, the newest. Obviously it's in different versions. You can get the first initial version or the newest one, or in between. And if you have a premium account, obviously click there, but if not, just press download normally for free users, and you're going to type in this here, which is case sensitive, so make sure you get it right. If you don't get it right, the download will either fail or it won't let you go through to the thing like this. It won't do that, it'll go back to the beginning. So you have to press download, and it should start downloading here. It'll say connecting for a couple of seconds, and if it fails in a minute, that's because you typed the code in wrong, which I get a lot, because you have a letter that looks like a capital but apparently it's not. So, but anyway, after this it should connect and download, and yeah. Okay, so I gave up with that Tipulator app. For some reason I tried all the different versions and I must have been typing a letter wrong because it kept failing. So I've just found a random app that did work, and it's called Lindsay Lohan Special. I don't know what the fuck it is, so mind my swearing. And the cool thing about this version is, in the settings, you can make it so that you can sync it with iTunes. You can make it a native installation, so the iPod thinks that it's obviously been brought from the App Store, because before the iPod knew that it was a cracked one and it would not let you update it, but you can update it now. And you can install automatically, delete automatically, you can clear the icon cache and stuff. So, and to install, you just simply press there and you click install. I'll install it. And it's done. You can delete it after, just exit the app. And if it freezes, it will only do it for a brief second, and it's because it's putting the icon and all the information on your springboard. Because I've done it, I've exited the app so fast before that you get to your springboard, it's not there for a minute, and then it just pops up. So, and this is the app. I don't actually know what the app is. I just found it. Well, it's just a bunch of pictures of Lindsay Lohan, I guess. Just one picture? Yeah? Press download. What's download then? Image saved successfully. Wow, is that an real app? Because if it is, that's retarded. You get one picture of Lindsay Lohan and that's it. Anyway. So that was how to get free apps, and yeah, if an app fails, just keep trying. That's what happens to me. So, peace.
Yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars and the cards out. Let's have a toast, a celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out.